I deal with Bubba?
Hmm? I'm ready plantain, man.
You don't have eggs?
You know, what's about the eggs in there?
Just fry plantain.
Plantain, yeah. All of the things them I see thing because of the same. People are sitting them give the food them for them every day. Yeah. So no difference. So if you can eat fresh food from your tree, you better live longer. We have banana, we have plantain, we have yam, we have papaya. But that's a vast amount of food. We have cocoa. God. We don't have to go to shop to buy food now. Look at the little tip of island I put in my pot. Come on, too oil enough. Just tip a little tip in there. Just that the plant.
You get the sour orange for the lemonade?
Yeah, I'm going to make one glass of lemonade. But I don't know you get in our evening. You come back.
You need sugar?
No, you just look at your sugar you want to go in there. Because I get healthy, when I consider out my weight with my health, I know with the food in my eating. I took the whole pot junk food in my eating. Because I say, if anything I forgot to me, I chicken come in. I love the chicken in the body. Me eat the pork too, you know, you see pork there? Right now, I have one of our get in my freezer there.
Where you get it?
Tell you, I can't give it away there.
Eh?
Yeah. I see in Jamaica one morning. Yeah, I want to get him out of there. That strong meat.
Yeah.
When you cook, you have a glue when I see, man.
A glue?
Lord Jesus. You have a glue in it. Just like in a chicken food. The chicken food have a glue in there, you know. Yeah. Hard up back in there like, you know, by the time you left you and go this one breeze blue on the tongue. Glue.
Gluten.
Yeah, man.
The calcium in it.
Yes. So yeah, do you drink coffee? I have it.
Yeah, you drink it.
I'm hot, okay. You know, I didn't tell him I'm on the 1 year now, I'm in no party.
Yeah?
We not go there now? No, sir. Not the time. You have no time for go to them place, you know, man. I have to go work every day, that's the day this in Ghana. Every day. But for every day through the whoop or rain and so. I made the pull one teeth last week Friday. I want teeth had no problem, I'm going to pull it last week Friday. So you see me, I reserved for the cold place. I want to take him too much of the cold in my face.
My system.
I want it to well up good. Yeah, I make too much of the cold. Maybe too much of cold right this one.
Yeah, but what a lot of pots, man.
When I say, I book myself to look at some you want to live on my thing. I know how to deal with my thing. Because we not cooking enough. No, sir. I realize now, so you see onion? You just go to Christian and go buy one box of sardines.
Yeah.
And eat the sardine with the onion.
Yeah. Someone deal with it more time, you know. We get some wheat bread and some sardines, some onion and some garlic.
Yes.
And some, you know, you say green pepper.
And green
and
pepper.
when you cut that up, put another sardine.
Yo, God, man. Oh, Jesus.
Nothing else you want.
Nothing else you want.
And it's healthy, you know.
And it's healthy.
And the closest, healthiest thing there.
Alright.
As I grow older, I realize that sardine and onion, man.
Yes, man. Sardine and onion, man. And you put one piece of green pepper in there.
Done.
Done. That me I feed for another time. I say me just I'm glad say.
Every day cooking business.
Me I this cooking business every day. Because I keep saying I'm create a sardine. Come put it in.
Yes, done. It's done. Yeah. Especially sometimes you see how even when you fry some plantain and eat that with that.
Boy, good life. Good life.
That's a good life, you know.
That's a good
the
life.
Sardine there with the plantain, you know.
Plantain.
You see how when you put some pear in it? Lord God, man. Sardine, pear.
Listen to me, I put myself to the money. But I can buy one case of sardine in the wholesale place.
Yeah.
And come put it down.
Yeah.
I cook no pot. I get up and cook this whole for a year, man, dumpling and something.
No,
God used to you,
man,
but
you have to, after a while, the body need a little rest.
body need a little rest, man.
Yeah. We're on a sardine now.
See, last time I not even eat the rice. See rice the same way. I don't eat a spoon of it.
The rice.
No,
Too much, man. The rice, too much, man.
I don't eat a spoon of it. I put it in the fridge now. Saturday night, I don't cook neither. 2 sardines meat Saturday night. Yeah.
Yeah, man, the sardine good for you, man. You know, it nice.
One girl got a foreign and come back and tell me, saying, where you done that woman over foreign, you see? Friend that me take it serious. He said the hungry Jesus thing they eat. The sardine and garlic. Oh, no, onion and garlic. Not sardine, onion and garlic. They don't eat no type of food.
Onion and garlic?
Onion and garlic. That's all they eat. When they wake up a morning time and they usually drink their tea and go in. But anytime they come in at evening time, they take the plate and the 2 or 3 head of garlic and the onion and cut up it and mix up it and grow the table, and that ain't all they do. And the healthy one day.
Onion and garlic?
Yes, that's good food, you know? Remember saying, man, onion and garlic are something that kill cancer, you know?
But hear what my friend tell me now. I add to it. So this man is a tonic man. And the man say, you see, if you have the cancer, take 6 months of your life. You drink about 10 to 8 glasses of carrot juice a day.
A day.
And onion, and celery, and beets. Him say, the carrot rebuild the beets are the food.
The beets are the food.
Carrot is the poison. You know, the onion cleanser.
The onion a cleanser.
You see? So him say, you know, if you drink water, you know, if you eat. You see, when the body recognize say, a month you drink carrot,
For 1 month.
the body say, wait there. The cancer said, wait, how not go feed me? The cancer not have nothing to feed it.
Nothing to feed him, pan.
And the cancer said, but how you gonna survive?
How you gonna survive?
And the beets say, we're good, man. You have the iron. So him say, yeah, only to cure anything you have, sickness. Him said to me, there's 2D in this world that you must always pay attention to. Disease and discipline. Discipline kills disease.
Okay.
Only discipline and the way I eat, you know,
No.
is if you're going to eat it.
Yes. If you are going to eat it.
It is not, if you're going to take your pill,
Yes.
if you're going to take the herbs. So him said discipline and disease.
Yes.
Focus on them 2D there now. Because there's a third one who come out named death.
Death, yes. Because this discipline, you know, is when you discipline yourself.
Yes.
What you going to do for and what you're not going to do?
So the
what you do for
Muslim them discipline.
Discipline.
So now when I not have.
No,
eat it.
And no matter what you say,
Eat it.
Just not eat.
Them religion discipline.
Yeah.
So when you decide, say a carrot,
Yeah, eat.
yeah, drink. Him
Yeah.
say when you wake up in the morning, you blend the carrot with the pulp and everything, you know, and you drink it, and you clean the house and you mop and a sweep, and then you hungry. Oh, drink another one.
Drink another one.
Oh, you hungry again? Drink another one.
Another one.
Him say when you're done with the body, the cancer run like it's a fool. Cause cat is a poison, you know.
Okay.
It's a poison.
It's a poison.
It's a poison.
To the body.
Carrot is not man. Carrot is man-made, you know. A European they make it. They graft it and make it. And not nature make it.
Oh, yeah, see.
No, man, carrot, no. A man-made.
So, I don't want everybody to see that plant and dirt, a man-made.
A graft it to come up with it.
Oh.
He never just born by itself.
You never just born like how mango and pear or
Yeah, no. Them are no graft. Carrot is a graft. You know how much food Germany created and Europe created for the world?
Eh?
What do you think feed the Arab them? Remember say no Irish potato and grow. Where you think Irish potato come from?
Ah, like Irish potato now. Yes, for every time they give one new variety.
Yes,
Irish
aye.
Every
I
time.
remember saying no. You know, a certain potato doctor Sebi talk about. You know, here's a key to healing. Him said the close electrical circle, the compound. A certain potato only have the electrical compound they were closed. You see everything else with them graph open.
Oh.
So when the body are consuming, the body say what is? You see the one with the close, I hit no heal the electrical system of the body. And the electrical system of the body, it had the real cure.
Okay.
You see me?
Okay.
So even the little carrot, you know, poison. So when you drink the carrot, you know, it poison the hell out of the cancer.
Okay.
And it makes sense for what I say.
Yes.
And then him say, no, what you think? What horse eat a lot of? Carrot, why is so strong?
Let that carrot in feed
Yes,
them.
man.
The strong man can't get up at that, man.
So, when I was trying to tell Jamaican, say, it's a discipline, man.
Yeah.
Make any sickness catch you. Blend beet, carrot, and onion. And drink most of the carrot and put the beet in it for dinner. And the onion. But drink carrot like say I drink water.
Water.
Drink carrot like say I ear. And see what happened to your disease.
Well, we talk about enough carrot.
And the man said to me, people think say it's complex. But it's discipline to this thing.
Okay.
And you can't get a whole heap of drugs and things say I do nothing. Then you do it 5 o'clock. Then you do it 6 o'clock. And then you do it, you miss it 1 week. And everybody say, I joke.
I joke. You better go for it.
And the man get cancer and the man say, I eat the chicken and everybody say, I joke. Watch me on your blouse and skirt when you're asleep.
Yes.
When you're asleep, you joke with me. Watch me on you.
Watch me.
And you see the parasite wake up in the stomach and see the carrot still a come. Them say, yo, what you do yourself? You can't do it, so.
You can't, man. You can't treat it so bad.
The parasite, them say, no. Because the carrot have a kind of softness, you know. You see, when it go into the body and the tissues, them, it rebuild the tissue.
Oh.
It's a tissue building thing, you know.
Okay. Come on.
Yeah. So it would poison and it build. Enough information, I talk to a whole heap of people in Bubba.
Man, you go to the market, you can go buy a blender to blend up the carrot.
What you say? Let me see what color you say. Yeah, man. We're there, man. Go put it outside.
How that the way you go?
Yeah, man. You know we love it. Where you go bring?
The coffee.
Yeah, man. Surrounded upon the journey again, man, Bubba. Always I deal with health. From the day I know me build a website, I know. I help me I deal with it, you know.
Yes.
So I'm still upon it. Give thanks and blessings. See it there, good life. Jamaica, good life, what's say? See it there, breakfast. And get some real coffee. Balance. All the fans them I love the video. I still talk about the health and strength and building the people. I hope you're happy and everything down the life. Denny, what you say? Me in your way?
Come on, dating.
Yes, Denny, I feed them pig them. How long you have the pig them?
What a year now.
After when you kill one of them, what you sell them for?
Money.
Money.
Yeah.
See the pear them there. Baba, you don't have no pear?
Eh?
You have a pear in there, right?
No.
Look on the tree, man. Look on the tree with the pear them. I find Raphael buy pear. No, you guys we not buy no pear.
We not have to buy pear. We pick pear. We pick pear put on, but we're not there now. Sometimes you never have the time. But one of them things that you look up to your tea at all. So you can't put the cup on the dirt. If you want one pea with every meal you have now. Alright.
I'm a butter,
But you good, you know?
I'm a butter that, you know.
I avocado that, you know, man.
Every meal where you have, you
Yes.
No, we never have a pear in there, sir. I hope I had the pear there.
You know, easy every meal.
Yeah, man. Me pear. Give thanks, Bubba. See there?
Another set of breakfast.
See the coffee there?
Another set of
See the broom there? See the rock there?
Another set of breakfast.
See the young jackfruit there? See
Another
Denny
set of breakfast.
See the Denny pig them there? See the avocado them there look for me. Hey, Pierre, no name drop. Me come, you know. This one big and nice. And no drop, man. They you have to get a long stick for them Pierre, and I like how them just at the end of the tree and hang out. Them Pierre are just a hang out. They're not nice. See the jackfruit tree there. Jamaica good life, we say. See, I'll get some sardine with this, man. Oh, we have some pear. I'll go to the market later and get some things. And we'll go try to get some real coconut oil. And we'll go try to get some... Yeah, man, we'll go try to get some real coconut oil, some sardine and some mackerel and coconut and thing, and like some rundown or some okra. You know? Scallion and thyme and do some serious cooking, you see me? That's the mountains up there, sir. Pimento leaf, my favorite. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Lovely. Peaceful. Tranquil after that, you know? See the brown bread with the plantain.
Me? Mm-hmm.
Where you putting out the coffee?
Look at your sugar.
No milk.
Look at your chocolate.
No milk.
Look at your chocolate.
Chocolate?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of chocolate?
The
You put the greater chocolate?
no. Come on.
Where you get chocolate from?
We buy a supermarket.
The round one?
Go sell in a one pack.
Or the natural one?
Never natural.
Oh Lord.
But they mark funny chocolate.
You put chocolate in the coffee now?
No, I'm not really using it, but I go for Denny now and then they give me a little bit of hit because for me make run out.
Okay.
It's just because you subsidize me this morning.
Okay.
But I don't really drink it all the while. You just subsidize me this morning with little something. That's how we move together, you know.
Yeah.
If you move on yard and certain things don't know for them, I'll let me know that you will go take it and gone.
So we just live together. Father and son. How often the other kids them call you?
Them son just talk to me look away.
Yeah, what am I say?
I've never no good. Yeah, man, no good, man. Ask me for there. I say, yes. I'm waiting to Chris Bumba. You know who then take the mean this from me for my mother. No, then can mean.
There's Africa and there's Africans.
Yeah,
There's Jamaica and there's Jamaicans.
Yeah.
When you come to Jamaica, hang out with the people that can give you something. Like you say, you can give me something.
Yeah, has something from the earth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some Jamaican have nothing for you.
Nothing. No, because all them I look on is the high-rise building, the motor vehicle. Just all he want is hands out. But here I know. It's the same place, not for me here I some out here. Yeah, man, right now, community are there.
Because them now farm.
For they not farm.
Them now do nothing.
They not do nothing.
Them a watch your food.
They might watch you.
Them all a rob the farmer them too.
Yeah, they rob the farmer. They would never go say make a put things that I am in the dirt. I make a plant to a root of banana cause. Last year I come from bush one evening. I just go right over there so. And take up the banana so I go dig up. Look how it come up pretty. And last year I cannot come with the phone plant. See there? Carrying it one bunch of it already. See you have a next bunch there. Every year we can give a bunch of plant in our place. Next year I go to 2 bunches give.
Yeah.
Some people, him not plant it. If you throw it down in the yard, it's not right, I mean, not plant it. Nah, dig the hole and put it in there. Because you know, Billy saying you can't wait for it till the beer, so but if you put it in there, you chop it up. That is how the mentality.
Like some people are planters, some are reapers.
Some are reapers.
Some
that
are,
is the mentality of people.
some are producers, some are takers.
Takers.
So you have to know who are the takers, who are the producers.
Alright. So that I see some people wouldn't mind, like all they say, Samantha, they don't listen. They wouldn't mind if every day you can hand out something to them. That's what they want. If you tell him, say, come with me and you go over bush and you go pick 2 chair coffee, he can't manage that. That's not in him. But take up 100 African dollar.
$80 conversion in Botswana. The woman who take care of the girl's son, she make a month.
A month.
The woman who come clean the house and take care of the baby when me stay, 160 a month. She make, and she did it from 9 in the morning till 8 p.m. Take care of the baby, clean the house. You know what I say? For $160.
A month.
A month.
So now, but what I say?
So now, guess how much the man charge the youth for wash him car for the month? Guess how much him pay him?
$30.
For the month, him pay him, I think him did say. I don't know if for the week, but him pay him $5.
$5?
$5. Maybe for a week or the month.
No, but
You know how much a watermelon in a Botswana for? $1.50 US. Food is very cheap. Rent, you know how much for him light bill? $10 US a month. You know what him rent for 3-bedroom? $400 US for the month.
But how much equivalent to in an African dollar?
All right, so
So
pull.
maybe the African dollar now devalue down to the alright, just like our man, you that come to Jamaica now and you see the $100 US. Is for
So it's 1 to 10.
over there.
Yeah. Botswana, stronger than Jamaica.
It's stronger than Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Oh, so 1 to 10.
1 to 10.
And we know 1 to 134.
127.
127.
Yeah.
So it's 1 to 10.
1 to 10.
But the food cheap.
Them
That's why
import,
food price so high now.
import food a lot. They get the food from South Africa. But the point is, when you see the wages people are make all over the world, black people. When I went to Africa, I had a report. I said, this white man is brilliant. The man's smart. We build pyramids. This man builds psychology. And he did something greater than us. He was able to create slavery all over the world.
All over the world.
All over the world, systematically for generations. When you say people leave them farmland and I try to get job in a supermarket
Market.
to buy food from Indians.
Mm-hmm.
And the Chinese, them the right there, so sell them the goods. And the same Africans who used to make everything, plant everything, then at the shopping mall. And the old woman that sweep the street for make 70 US to 90 US. Yeah, sweep the street.
For month.
For the month. She don't plant nothing.
No, plant nothing.
No. And them have to go to the supermarket. And the whites plant the food in South Africa. Them take over the land. And distribute. And the Indians in Durban, them own all the food distribution.
Food chains.
So all the Indians own all the supermarket.
Yes.
The Chinese them own.
The land.
They produce the products. And the Africans them consume from those. And the Africans, like into Jamaicans, no longer plant. So the solution, when I went to Africa, look at Haiti. Them sell out them coal and they destroy the land. So the challenge with black people is miseducation. So what I said that them give them college education and dumb them down as far as farming. So no, you don't need to farm. Go get a degree and go get a job.
Go get a job.
So you know, you are the key for Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
What you if we get Jamaica back to the Bubba state, if we get Jamaica back
To the farming state.
to farming, like I said to people, I tell them about, if the ghetto youth, if a bad man from Kingston, you meet him. If you go Kingston right now and you see two bad youth, I say, yo, my God, the phone. Come on the weekends and help me plow me arm them. I'm not going to go into some numbers, some points. If a 5 hour you do, I'm going to write down in my book. And I'm going to sign it and you're going to sign it. Right? If them come help you.
Yeah.
You see, when the yama come in, you call them and say, 60 hour you give me, you know. I'm going to take this and translate into money. And every 10 hour, so you can create a barter currency system with ghetto people. If them come here and work,
But the situation with them now.
them not want to work.
They're not.
But for the ones that are willing, you see how soldier come here from Nigeria, and when soldier say to
So
you,
they want to work. But I tell you, say, if right in an area, alright, if you get up right now and turn down the road, I say, you see,
yeah,
anytime you hit good intent to Wilpy, you're supposed to pass at least 60 to 70.
boy,
Boy, young man. And the boy, them are young man, them. Because they pass 18, 19, 20, going up. Sit down on the road bank in a boat. Nah, got no work. Nah, and then whole of them holler in the bush. But they can invest in a farming. And they nah do it. And when you see them, they chooses body, the waist and the chooses the right here so. And the underpants are hitching at the neck back. And then the lifestyle they take up.
So my find say everything now is a mindset. So I say the man there slave the people them so much, man. Them in them head.
Yeah, then right now in Jamaica, you know, man, the same thing when you see happen in Africa, it's going on for water. If you go to Mandeville or Christian right now, every building where you see put up in a town, a China buy out and put up and remodel it. Building, new building. A pear China buy out the town. And every move you move from here so to this is a new supermarket and a pear China in them. And then they say at Manchester no matter happening all over Jamaica.
And you know the point is the government never addressed this and said, wait a minute, we're gonna subsidize and give loan to blacks to own supermarkets. Them never, that is the foundation, you know.
Do that for the Chinese, them
Buy them out.
Money and buy them out and them again.
So. If Jamaica is to start changing, we have to have a point where we know it takes a, like for example, if me run for politics, And me say, all right, the first thing me I go do is subsidize loans for farmers to have supermarkets.
You have supermarket.
So if you're a farmer with certain amount of land,
Yeah.
what me I go do for you is get a piece of place in the city
Yes.
where you can come with your other farmer them now
Yes.
and sell on the
And
produce.
sell the produce.
To make sure you have somewhere to sell.
The government will then do now, then give their friend big license, we then call it trade and export license.
Mm-hmm.
So the same criminal them in the Jamaica house and God knows, so them say when I run the big business on the corner.
So the new Jamaica has to be a Jamaica where people running for politics determine. You see the power bogle determination.
But them they not come
And
back.
you now come back ever again. Never again.
Never again. Because watch you know. The system in the politician, the system is so corrupt right now.
You tell me we can't clean it up.
You can't clean up. But for right now, if you go in there, say, I got to try to clean up, then kill you. When you hear say the man get shot and him dead and you have
We have to go find about 10 people like Paul Bogle, man. There must be 10 people like Marcus Garvey in this country. They got to be at least 100 good men.
If you ever hear some man, you see,
Yeah.
we are going to politics. Like when you're in the opposition.
Yeah.
If you ever hear him talk some things against the government,
Mm-hmm.
and when him going the way him are going, then that's why the people them vote for them.
Mm-hmm.
Because the mere hands out things where him say
Mm-hmm.
the government of India do it wrong.
Yeah.
Where him a go fix it and him a go change it. And him a go make the people can have better. You see where he going there?
Mm-hmm.
He say, you can sit down there wait for me. Aye. He say, you sit down there wait for me. Sit down there. Me gonna go help yourself. Me get corrupt here now.
Ready me to do it. Call Randy.
Yeah, man. Just bring the car down here, so.
Yeah, man.
Your card.
The car. The taxi.
Yeah. Then you not drive no taxi.
So we have to go walk off the taxi. Yeah.
I get one.
I get a taxi. So you say you don't have no number, you know. I know you don't have no taxi number.
Yeah, taxi number, man.
You get taxi number now.
Man. Yeah, be in Virginia, you call, man.
So the snail go up on the tree, slowly go up
Mm-hmm.
or go down.
Up
That
him
go
a go.
up. When I go up for?
I sleep him asleep now, you know.
The snail asleep now.
Yeah, sleeping time for him now.
And at the night time him walk go up, him go up.
No man, him go up. Since man, he go up, you know.
When I go
He
for?
go up before the daylight out, because he can't make his son catch him down the dirt.
Him can't make the sun catch him at dirt.
No.
Why not?
No, because he no work in the sun hot. No sunlight, he work in the darkness, he work, you know.
So him come down on the floor.
Anytime 6 o'clock come this evening, you see?
Yeah.
You come down and come look and see how them a come down. As the evening change so, and there is no more light, them coming down. And they come down and feed for the night. And as before the daylight out of morning time, everybody they back up in the tree.
Why? Is it them safety?
Because that's how God set up, he write in the Bible, so God make the night for them. They make hunter for the night. God make me and you hunt for the day. And he said night we go rest.
Mm-hmm.
So he make night for them for hunt. That's why he say you have to go in the bush at night.
Mm-hmm.
Because the hunters are come out.
Mm-hmm.
So sitting there, that's how in the hill if you come out at night time. If you buck you up in him, I kill you. Because sometimes a morning time when we are going bush, you see?
Mm-hmm.
And you see some foot we planting in the dirt like a young lion foot, or tiger foot, or raging animal foot. And you say, what kind of foot them? But they live in the rock. They cave themselves in the rock. But they can't come out in the day. Because the power is not for them to come out in the day. Their power is in the night. So the Bible says, the night are made for them, the goat and the wild horses and the animal in the hills. They come out at night and come galvanize their food.
Yeah.
Full up their belly.
Yeah.
And carrying what they fi carrying. And gone in. So by the time you hear the cock crow, so bam, Them know say yes, it's time for me.
So the rooster tell them, yo, wrap it up.
Wrap it up, wrap up your...
Wait there, so this...
That's why
this
I
is-
make the rooster for crow.
And then the frog them now tell another one them, cause the frog, the little tadpole them, them tell another story too, you know.
Animal.
And then the donkey tell another story
And the donkey
too.
breed somebody understand what I mean.
So everybody alert everybody.
So they alert one another.
So when the rooster crow, all the night creatures say, hey. Sun are coming up.
Son, I go come now. It's time to go.
Wrap it up.
And when you come out here, so. Alright, I show you, I think. Come on, I tell you facts. I ever marvel the mystery of God, how God works. Because man, I will tell me foolishness.
Yeah.
Oh God, you see? None of the panny now, man. Sure. None of the panny now, man. You have a time when you come here, so.
Yeah.
From up at the head of that pear tree, straight down to the bottom, is more than hundreds of the white one in the pan.
Snail.
Hundreds. And when 6 o'clock come at evening time, and you turn up here, so you can just stand up and watch the beauty of them coming down off of the tree. Everybody turn down their head down the hill. That turn, you turn up there now, you know?
Yeah.
It will make you think, what you think reaching this?
Sun.
Sun catching this. So
And him have to stop.
And you stop.
And put in. And protect himself.
And go in himself. Not going no further because the sun depend him now. Because the inside when you have can't take the heat. Same have to stay right there. So anytime you see the sun cooler evening, now you turn down back and come feed again.
And when feed pan, the snail?
All kind of things don't do it. So he find something to eat. Grass. All kind of stuff. They find their food. They know where they might look for.
Wow.
And they come down, come feed.
Fascinating that I never really did notice the movement. And you notice most of the movement of nature.
Yes. All right. Well, I'm sure my plant over there. So.
Yeah.
If you go over there now, the church can't get fit climb to a further level. Because they come down, come feed when the church tree at night time. You see the young spring in the head of it?
Yeah.
As they come down, they make a bomb and eat off.
Who did snail them?
Yes. And gone up back. By the time the daylight when you are passing, me left here at 6 o'clock in the morning time. And when I cut out and I go on up, them going up.
Yeah.
Them going up. You can't just stand up and I watch them going up back. Because they might try to come out of your reach now.
Yeah,
So you
yeah.
don't believe see how them do it.
So you never know so them a hunt?
You're not going to know that.
But it seems like they choose a certain tree.
No, they're not every tree. They're not pimento tree. But certain time of year, like how you see now.
Yeah.
It's like they come down off of the tree now and gone at the rock. Because underneath the rock now warm.
Cool.
Cool. Winter come now the time of cool. So they're not really there on the tree more than one of them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So enough of them under the rock
yeah,
now.
God, man. They are under the rock, man. Under the rock. In the Bible, you know, man, I read one part of scripture, and say the Bible say they live under the rock. God make under the rock for them. So they come off of the tree. But you see how when summer come,
Yeah.
when spring start, when winter done and spring start,
Yeah.
and you see them just they bungalow part and they implement a tree there. I feed them time. But like now, our winter they take time gone in. The winter come now, them are going. Cause all in the summer, when you come here, so look up on this tree, up on the jackfruit tree. Yeah. Oh God. They have one thing now, they make one thing now, you just carry go put it down right at the tree roots. So.
What is it, a powder?
Yes.
Oh, them even want to stop the thing, them the insect them for do them natural thing.
So when you
To protect the tree.
when you put it down at the tree root now, you just suck them down off of the tree and when you look, the whole of them pile up right as one did.
Oh yeah, said to me.
Yeah, man.
Them kill them.
Kill. Oh, you could have killed off the whole of them there for a tree, you know? Me not kill them. Because nature, God make everybody feel it. If me I go try to kill them, then this one not try to kill me too. They have a make a powder, man. Babylon make a powder. If you carry one piece of newspaper, go just open the piece of newspaper at the tree root, you know, and just sprinkle a little bit. You see a man when you come down, you wake up and come out here, hundreds of them. If one come down from there and come dead at tree root. That's how wicked Babylon system is.
Because on the way down, the chemical affect them.
Yeah, chemical affect them, so they can't turn up there. They have the sensation where the chemical have. Go right up in there and take them down. Pull them down from up there. You don't never come here and see one pound of tree. If I didn't use the powder, I not use it.
So they use the powder intentionally to kill the snail them?
Yes.
Because the snail them eat off...
Eat off the plant.
Wow.
Alright, you see the banana plant tree there?
Yes.
You know say have a fungus live inside the plant tree?
Inside the plantain tree?
Yes.
Okay.
So if you go down there now and you open it, especially the skin where you see look right there. So.
Yeah.
You see some white layer lie down inside it. A fungus them, you know. So what the fungus do now, let me tell you something, man. If man understood the God, the fungus feed off of the tree itself. So if you don't cut off that outside skin, you know.
Okay. If you don't cure it,
Yes.
eat up the whole...
It suck out the substance out of the stalk of the plant tree. That's when the plant them bear them thin.
So everybody have the hunter.
So you have it. If you go in a overground now, me and Denny right now, then we just clean the plant tree them. Just to get rid of the fungus because the tree itself have the fungus in there. We suck the substance from the sap.
Yes, yes.
Because all what maintain the tree now is the sap. And once the fungus feed the sap, it can't give a good bunch of planting. So that's why you see food plant finger them healthy.
Can work.
Because we work.
Clean on the
Clean
stuff.
the tree them. Once you not clean the tree, the more fungus are breed up in there, the more the fungus are breed up in there.
And I suck out,
the
fruits and everything. Yes. Oh, I tell you.
Yeah, I tell you. But when you look upon the God make everything for live, man. Him prepare a place for everybody. But you must stay under for your boundary as man. Because him prepare open space for you as man. So when night time, he say when the day done, the Bible say when the day done, man must come at rest. Because if me over my ground now, and me over there work for today and me eat and cook and so. When you go back a man, when you left over there, you don't see it. Animal come from up at the hills going if I didn't do they watch you. Don't you have the green lizard where you see in a tree there?
I watch you.
I watch you.
I say, watch when they move that piece of breadfruit, they will just drop on my one.
Especially if
all the hands them are wait.
All the hands them are wait, man. Everybody here wait. And the green lizard in the tree there, so and just mass on my little place.
So your heat, them pick up your heat signature, you know?
Yes.
And your heat signature, them pick up all the hands them, you know, them pick up your wave, you know. You see once them say the body a heat move, because you bring one of the biggest heat signature in the country.
Everybody
so the lizard they say him gone, the dirty Bubba gone.
Down to the bird them, you see?
Them fly around and I watch you.
Them fly.
I scope them, I scope you. The blackbird them come and say, see him there. What time am I left?
What time am I left?
Him not.
Yeah, once the bird come, he say, and he go and I'm pitching around and share him and look for me. All him say, begin to make his go.
Same say, him drop some crumbs. A little 40 leg. Everybody just a wait.
Everybody waiting.
Nobody not come to you mostly, you know, except some fly.
Fly
brave.
The fly brave.
Mosquito no afraid of nothing.
Mosquito not afraid of nobody.
But everybody else, the real hunter them.
The real hunter them, everybody the one side of wait.
So you have scavengers and you have hunters.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. Everything in the earth. Everybody hunt them.
And everybody will watch you.
Everybody will watch
you. So these natural little things are like humans.
Yes, they have sense. But may I tell you? Alright. Sometimes you the one that say, you see the hog the way they didn't have down there so? See the hog the way you see the lep in there so? Anytime that he come 4:30 at evening time, he get up, turn up on his foot. And put up his foot on the wall where you see right there. So you know what him ready for? His food. Because it's like he knows he have him time now. You see now getting in trouble now? And he will them left right gallon up so till 3 o'clock, 3:30, 4. But as you see 4 o'clock come to 4:30, he turn up on his foot. My time
And
now.
so when then it, me know
Where
say
then
then
it
it go bush
Yes.
and now him a come
Yes.
home. Same thing with dog. Them
My master supposed to come by now.
right now. And if then it not come, a piece of balling.
And if then you know come and he see me, he thought,
When-
I two we feed them, you know. So they have they smell, you know, the thing about his nose, you know. Once you go up party in there, he smell you.
Yeah.
So anytime now that's why you see a dog can be monitored by certain people. Cause if if me have my bad dog down here, you know, I mean not allow you if me can you come in here. If me know there you can't come here. Cause he have no sensation for you. But once me carry you in and allow you to associate with him, he has a sensation. So the next time when you come back now and I pull the gate in and he say, oh, me there with my boss. So he not trouble you. That is the dog.
Okay, yeah.
He not trouble you because but he man there with my master.
Yeah.
So he not tear at you. But if you alone could just walk off of the road and pull the gate and come in. Because he have no sensation for you. But because he smell you and nearly have it in him. The inner him.
Know you.
Know you. So as you come at the gate there, glad to see you. Because we make it him glad to see you. All in our intention say, you are going to give him food. Yes, that is the animal. Anytime he smell you, all for him intention is that the pear will come in. When him desire you come.
PD.
Pear.
Fascinated.
Yes,
The bird they must watch you.
down to the bird I watch you, my brother, me I tell you. Everybody
The
watch
drunk
you.
of them I watch you.
Junko I watch you.
You put up a fire, cook something.
Oh God.
The cat them are watching
I
at the
watch
hole.
you. As you put on the pot at evening time, the cat goes sit down there so. And sometimes he get bad for you, so he just start meow, meow. So they have to run away.
Hey, you know, when I stay now in a nigger, I wolf a dog them out. And sometimes I hear the dog get some lick, you see?
Yes, man.
And so a woman tell me, so she said, well, the roost of them do, by a certain time they run go sleep, because they don't want to get dog lick.
Dog lick. Yeah, because the dog, we name them up, because the dog rush him and if he no fire up with the dog, beat him to it, because the dog pass on him. Yeah, man, if the dog go for print at him and he never get to man. The first time the dog will use catch rooster, man. For anything you say, hold him. And you see the dog shot too. He don't go chance he have to get away from the dog. If he go up in a one tree. That's the only get away he have for the dog can't
So
come.
him have to go up there early.
Yes, so he have to make sure he go in a tree before certain hours, because when
Dog
certain hours
get
come
hungry.
before he can't see to that again, you know. He reflector now become dim.
Yeah.
So he have to make sure he go up in a roost before the reflector start give him problem. If you make the reflector start get bad pan him and he can't go up, you know say he goes cook for dog and you mean.
And foul no say if we not get up another tree there that coop there
Yes.
in time,
In
dog
time.
a come.
Dog a come.
But nature have its way.
Nature have its way, man.
But these darn flies, man, them no have no respect.
Mosquito and fly no respect nobody. Just land pan you and suck and gone.
But you know, say, especially the flies are very important, you know, for the ecosystem, you know. And them lay the egg for the larva for break down dead things, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, man, them very important,
Very
man.
important, man.
Yeah, I true them bother we still, but them very important. You see me? A mosquito, very important to our mosquito though. Them go to the road and them bite everything. And them develop a immune. Them mosquitoes is one of the highest end blood lab in the world. Or lab for disease control in a mosquito. So what them do when them bite for your blood, get a little pig and them start mix it up and then them come bite you again. All their insects that transfer information that's crucial to our growth. Watch a movie when the eel and them did come And them say, you go kill out them human. You know what kill the alien them? Them go drink the water.
But what they're not saying
You see,
with the mosquito.
because we live here so long, the mosquito help us to build our immune system.
So, but when I say when the mosquito suck from my blood now,
Yeah.
in that dead same time. Because guess what, the blood in the mosquito now can't get free. The blood turn rocking on him, you know.
Mm-hmm.
As early as he makes up and pump the blood, when he hits you so, and pull the blood becomes stagnant now, you know, you're not moving kind of, no heat. For the blood need heat.
So guess what now? You see the mosquito larva and the offspring?
Mm-hmm.
The genetic information in you.
Yes.
You see what keep human genetic information changing?
Mm-hmm.
Is mosquito.
Yes.
So 10,000 years ago, a mosquito will bite you, know.
Mm-hmm.
And pass on that information to feed him offspring in a feed them genes.
In a feed them genes.
And now the offspring they know something about you.
Yes.
So now him go bite you again. Yeah. And part of that 10,000 information come back.
Come back.
So the mosquito is kind of always reminding your blood of this, and I check your blood.
And I check your
so
blood.
it's like a mosquito, it's kind of like a doctor.
A doctor.
A genetic doctor.
Yes, man.
Because when him dead with fear blood, you know, him larva them have the information him take from you.
Yes.
So nature have a way.
Yes.
For pass information.
Pass information. Cause anyway parting go dead in the other one them. Eat him up. Just like the hands.
Actually, nature.
Powerful, man.
Nature is a thing, man. That's why in Africa they say nature was God.
Mm-hmm.
That is, you look upon God right there, sir.
Mm-hmm. Yes. I know they believe that too.
Because it is so complex. It is so interchanging, and the relationship between it creates.
Even in Africa, man, in the same with Jamaica, you one man they live down the road, so there is no name, no God. It's a nature. A God. One man did them doing this. It's a nature do things.
Mm-hmm. Creation.
So no God now make no rainfall, no God now grow.
Creation
no
itself,
creation
itself.
and nature itself.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
But who create creation? Who create nature? How nature come?
Mm-hmm.
How we organize? There must be a way of it to organize. It couldn't just organize by itself. So, right? So there, but higher. Yo, let me tell you this. So what do you think get the world upside down to them? All right. You see, when you have your picnic them now, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I call my daughter now, but you send them up a you know. You see when them go up a you know.
Mm-hmm.
That's why you find the most likely when you see them go catch a UV and they don't come back to you. They don't easily come back to you.
The system to their mind.
The system. The teaching, because what them never get to teach, to learn down at the primary and the early age and the secondary. You see when they catch up, they so go meet all the philosophies them.
Yeah.
And the professors them.
Mm-hmm.
And all these kind of professors and these kind of this and that. You see when they're done with them for the 5 year, and they walk back in your yard and tell them, man. They change every Jesus thing in them. To make them really know, say, what they may not hear about for them the days will come up. Not a Jesus thing will go so. Change them. Because we didn't get, they say they get to a higher learning. But anyway, really to me, when me tell myself, say, me just want to know, say, you know what I mean? Me just want to go over my gun. That's why me got my gun at the time. Because me just want to sit down in the house and watch the yama grow. And me say, this is God.
Yes, yes.
For no man, if you sit down right or so, and in the heat cool where you sit down, so you feel a rain drop in your head. There's no way you could have done that by yourself. Or no man couldn't make a drop, a rain drop in your head. No man. Must be coming from somewhere. And from some other sources, but the other day now, but then I read a book. I done listen to a documentary on BBC. But they might tell me say no. But I don't know. They say in this place, in the place, man. Egypt. They say in Egypt, man. Egypt created most of the gods around the world, you know. Egypt, you know. Cause no, but they say the documentary, the white man them where they say they do the studies, the material say all the things where we are talking about name spirit.
Yeah.
Them say a man-made spirit, you know. So when people are talk about the spirit of God and they think they say no go so. Because man create spirit where have the power to control another man.
Yeah. Remember when I start off, I said to you, I went to Africa and realized the white man creates psychology. Spirituality will actually control people.
Yes.
So, here's what I'm saying to you. The system, the machine system, what's attacking the Africans, they drift away from nature into a system that...
And living into the system.
Yes, that was created for them enslavement.
Yes.
So when we come back to this and we sit down with you, and the reason why I film all the time here is because this information is what you call Zion. It's a purity that is here, that lives through you. So when I upload your videos, then people know them understand my mission in life is to transfer nature to the machine world.
To the machine world.
I'm going to use the internet for that. I started that 20 years ago. When I did it in the machine world, I'm at work, and father said, quit the job, take the camera and go. Because you know nature on it, because you grew, you understand God more than a lot of people. And you don't read a lot of Bible. But you understand God through nature.
Through nature.
So when I said, how am I going to take this God power and pass it on? So like preachers and minister, I'm a ministry of nature.
Of nature.
So me film the thing them now for transfer that energy to the people.
Yeah, man.
So when them see what me I film now and the naturality and the God power in a way me I film, them start realizing, why does this have an effect on me? But they don't know there's a program me I create to reconnect them
back to nature.
So as an artist, me know where the God energy there. It they right down there so.
Right there so.
Cause when you see millions and zillions of tree leaves and energy, me go up in St. Mary, Portland, St. Catherine, Manchester. Me go through Jamaica, you know.
Yes, man.
So when you want to know say who have the most God in them are the country people them, are the farmer them.
Yes, man.
It is not religious people who know God.
No, man.
It is farmers who know God.
Know God, man.
Okay.
No, but God tell you already, you know. He don't tell you, he's the farmer.
Yes.
Farmer.
So when the people them hear you are talking now, and them sit on the YouTube and then them don't know why them love Bubba so much.
Yes.
Because Bubba, you have spent more time with the land.
Yes, I know.
Than any man.
40 a year now, I go 40 a year now, I come here so and I study everything. Now look here now. In the farming world.
Yeah.
When me give people instruction, how to plant, how to do this, how to do, and when they do it, they come back to me and say, yes, it work. Because what me do? When me just come here and start the farming, me used to lose. I buy a book. I buy one McDonald's book one time.
The astrology book.
The astrology book.
Yes, yes.
And I start to study the book.
Yes.
So when we start to study the book now, we start to realize, oh, there is ways of doing things
Yeah.
and different ways.
Yes, yes.
So it's not just to just get up and do things.
Yes, there's an order to universe.
There's an order to the universe.
Yes, yes.
Me start to follow the book now.
Mm-hmm.
So the first place of the book we start to follow is the human body.
Yeah.
The man them study everything through the human body.
Yeah.
In that the book that you can know everything from your uprising.
Yeah.
So when we go through the body system now and the how man fi operate, how man fi move around, then me hit the plant.
Mm-hmm.
So I start to know now how the plant must come, what direction the plant fi plant in.
Yes.
Because you have all of it.
Mm-hmm.
Then now, me
What's
say,
the name of the book?
They just call it McDonald.
Mm-hmm.
Then now when we go through the planting thing now, it start to show you again about the moon now. So the greatest influence upon the earth when enough man realize is the moon, you know.
Mm-hmm.
The moon is the greatest. If the moon lock off now, everything done.
So now stick a pin in what you're saying. When I started to study religion, and I found that the base of religion was astrotheology.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of Jamaicans, what you're saying, on this earth, 10,000 years in Africa, you know,
Mm-hmm.
all we studied was the heavens.
Mm-hmm.
And we realized that because we didn't have the time.
The time.
I spoke to a Rasta man and I said, when you pray to the east, who you think you pray to?
Mm-hmm.
The sun was our first God.
Yes.
So, what the Africans did for 10,000 years in building this system, they knew and they studied and they realized the relationship between things and the earth.
And the earth.
And they documented.
Yes, and
That's what you read in the McDonald's thing.
Yes.
So for farming, for life and everything. So what spiritual people don't understand or religious people don't learn. This is why when I come now and when I remember one time I come to him and say, Bubba, a lot of things you're talking about, you know, in the Bible, you don't know what you're talking about because you're not seeing it from the astrotheological perspective. Because in the ministry, you can't go in a church in Jamaica and them teach you astrology, you know. No,
man.
because them say no, that is blasphemy.
That is blasphemy. Like when I know, they say them they are blasphemy, man.
Yes.
They must give you the European world.
Exactly. So now the African way was so above, so below.
So below.
So you know because you learn the astrotheological component of life.
Yeah.
So the moon, that's what I said to Tenny. I said, in your Bible, if you don't learn the relationship between the moon
Yes.
and the sun
Yes.
and Sirius B and the 26,000 years and the golden age, what you tell me about?
No, I have nothing to tell you.
You don't have nothing to tell
I
me.
have nothing to tell
So you are coming with a little Bible
Yes.
and you don't know what this Bible is about.
You don't know what the Bible is about, man. You have to study the moon and the sun, man.
Oh, good. So you know as a farmer, confirm again to me. I have a video online. It is 8 hours. And I put it up on the Jamaica Radio. JamaicaRadio.com. I see when I find Santos Benashi. And the man lay out how the sun wake up. And when it sit on the cross in December. And at 3 days the sun rise, you know. So that's where them get Christ resurrection from.
Right.
At the SUN. And the man showed how them create everything in the Bible from this circle.
Yes.
When Jesus turned water into wine, a wine season. Lord God, when them say in the Bible, look to me through the clouds with thorn. I'm the love, the life, and the light at the SUN. When them talk about Jesus walking upon the water and him tip across the ocean, and the sun, astrotheology is the oldest teachings we have on earth. So when them come with them thing now, and them create the characters out of the heavens and make them into characters in the Bible, but people don't know what the Bible is. The Bible is a holy sign. So I asked a Rasta man on the beach, I said, where holy Bible, what does that mean? So I asked you, what holy Bible mean? You know what holy Bible mean? Lots of Jamaican Christians are ministers. Them don't know what Holy Bible mean, you know? Them don't know. You know what Holy Bible mean? Son book. That is the etymology. If you don't know what etymology is, it's the root of words.
Oh.
Holy Bible means son book.
Son and book.
Son book. That's what Holy Bible mean, you know? So everybody are run out about me holy.
The Holy Bible.
Them don't know say holy is referencing to the sun.
Oh.
Israel is all about the sun. So
Holy Bible.
Holy Bible means son book. So when I read is son worshipping book.
Son worshipping book.
Exactly. And them not, you can't tell them that.
You can't tell them that, no brother. You can't tell them that.
So-
Also, the astrophilosophy in the Bible, in the book, the wicked
It's very important because that is the holy science of the universe. You know?
universe.
The Bible is a holy. You see, after Santosh Benash, you know, break it down. The man say this is a holy.
A holy.
If you don't get this, what this was say, if you don't know what really the Bible has say, you can align yourself a certain way where you have powers. And the people who know the powers where the Bible are talk about, you know.
I'm going to tell you that thing. I'll tell you that thing.
And it's the lack of, because them thief the African thing and say, no.
Lack of knowledge to the Africans.
Don't go back to this, you know.
Don't go back to
Want to go this way.
this way.
So now
This
the people
way.
them out of sync with the universe. So Bubba, you can't pray no more and the rain coming up.
No.
Who you pray to?
Who you pray
You think the rain gonna come? So you can't change the weather no more.
No.
You can't talk to the heavens no more. So even when you think you even when you're dead, where you think you go?
Where
You
you go?
go where them a put you.
Where them a put you?
Exactly.
Where them a put you, there you go.
And people who are not in the know. Knowledge is the key, you know.
Knowledge is the key of life, man. If you don't have no knowledge, I'm sorry for you. Because God base up the manifestation of earth by knowledge. And any man who is not no knowledge, you not going to know it.
No.
No way now.
So when you say about the farming and the moon,
Yes, the moon.
enough women don't know about the moon cycle.
No, sir.
Them run up and down every day. And them don't know nothing about moon cycle.
Nothing they don't know. But the moon is one of the greatest compass you have on earth. It give you everything.
Without the moon, this here planet would
Yeah.
have been enough.
Nah,
We must say
it's
it.
not weird.
We probably would be snails, you know.
Will that be well I say thing me I try to bring Denny to the Denny me tell Denny say if you buy one of the book I think you going up on yard so me tell say if you study the book because at the end of the day me soon gone from here. So him if you learn these things because in a hit in the McDonald book you know a good man from a bad man. Because it give you. Me say there is nothing in the way I give you. You can't go choose a woman out of the McDonald book. Just look in there.
Tell you what time in born.
What time in born, what nature you have, in temperament, in action, in attitude.